Footnotes and endnotes are used to provide additional information or references for the text in a document. In this lesson, we'll add several footnotes. In the report we're working on, we want to add footnotes that provide more information about the items in the list that are located at the bottom of page 3. When we're finished, it'll look like this. And what you'll notice is we have some footnotes here at the bottom that actually correspond to the numbers that are actually in the list. There are also 2 more that are located over here. So let's get started. First thing I want to do is go to the beginning of my document. I'm going to click on Control Home. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to place my insertion point at the end of the first paragraph here in this column, after the word resort. Once I have my insertion point there, I'm going to actually click on the References tab. I'm going to click on Insert Footnote, and automatically what it does takes me to the bottom of the page where our footnote will appear, and there's also a small number that is located here where my insertion point was. I'm going to click here, make sure I'm down there. I'm going to actually type in the note that I want to appear, the explanatory text. I want to make sure that I have no spelling errors, so I'm going to actually right click here, make sure that says area, so that is correct. Now I'm going to actually go down in my document and create my second footnote. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom half of page 3, and I'm going to create my footnotes for the list that I mentioned earlier. So I need to place my insertion point at the end of the bullet that has scissors, safety pins, and tweezers. I'm going to click on Insert Footnote in the actual References tab. What you'll notice, it adds a number 2, but it also gives me a footnote for the number 2 as well. And I'm going to type in pack these items in checked luggage. Make sure I spell it correctly. I'm going to click at the end of the bullet that says medications taken on a regular basis at home. I'm going to click on the Insert Footnote, and I'm going to type my footnote. All medications should be stored in carry-on luggage in their original containers with clear labels, period. Carry a duplicate supply in checked luggage, period. I'm going to click at the end of the bullet that says sunscreen, insert footnote, SPF 15 or greater. You'll notice as we insert additional footnotes, it automatically will renumber for us. So I'm going to click on Save, Save Early, Save Often. I'm going to go Control Home. And now if I want to actually review any of the footnotes we've inserted, I'll go to the Footnotes group here in the References tab, and I can click on Next Footnote, and it will actually take me through my entire document and show me the footnotes that I actually want to review. Takes me to the first one, next footnote, takes me to the second one, third one, and the fourth one, and the location, so on and so forth. If I wanted to actually remove or delete any footnotes, I could actually click right where the footnote is and use the delete key to remove. I click it twice, it removes that footnote. I'm going to click on Control Z to undo that because I do not want to actually remove that footnote. But it allows you to create them and provide reference in your document. So I'm going to click on Save, and if you want to learn more about this, check out your book on page Word 90.